Little Creature Chronicles.
The amazing journey of Ellie the elephant, from tiny calf to mighty adult. Hello, boys and girls! Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey to discover the incredible stages of growth and development of a baby elephant named Ellie. But first, let's talk about why elephants are so important for our ecosystems. Elephants, like Ellie, are known as ecosystem engineers. They play a vital role in shaping our ecosystems by creating and maintaining their environment. They help disperse seeds, create water holes, and even clear pathways in the forests. Now, let's follow Ellie's journey from the very beginning. It all starts with Ellie's mom, who carries her in her womb for nearly 22 months. That's even longer than a human pregnancy. During this time, Ellie's mom eats a lot of delicious plants and drinks plenty of water to nourish both herself and little Ellie. Finally, after those long months, it's time for Ellie's grand entrance into the world. Baby elephants like Ellie are called calves. At birth, Ellie weighs around 220 pounds, 100 kilograms, and stands about 3 feet, 1 meter, tall. In the early days of her life, Ellie depends on her mom for everything. She loves cuddling with her mom and drinking her mom's milk, which is rich in nutrients. As Ellie grows, she starts to explore her surroundings and learns essential skills like using her trunk to pick up objects and communicate. Time flies, and Ellie grows bigger and stronger with each passing day. She enjoys munching on tasty plants, fruits, and even tree bark. Ellie's diet helps her gain the energy she needs to grow into a big and healthy elephant. As Ellie enters her teenage years, she becomes more independent and joins other young elephants to form a close-knit group called a herd. Together, they explore the vast African savanna and continue to shape the ecosystem by spreading seeds and creating water holes with their big feet. After many years of growth and adventures, Ellie has become a full-grown elephant. She weighs a whopping 6,000 to 8,000 pounds, 2,700 to 3,600 kilograms, and stands around 10 to 13 feet, 3 to 4 meters, tall. She's a mighty and magnificent creature. Remember, boys and girls, elephants like Ellie are vital for our ecosystems. They help maintain the balance of nature and keep our world a beautiful and thriving place for all living creatures. So, the next time you see an elephant, be sure to appreciate and admire these incredible animals for all the wonderful things they do for our planet. Thank you for joining us on Ellie's amazing journey from a tiny calf to a mighty adult. We hope you enjoyed this adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories about the wonders of nature.